Orbbo specializes in high-quality plant-based ingredients. Our organic ginger powder is processed with precision to maintain its vibrant color and nutritional integrity. As a trusted manufacturer and supplier of high-quality plant-based ingredients, Orbbo crafts organic ginger powder through a meticulous process designed to preserve its bold aroma, warm color, and powerful natural benefits. The journey starts with the careful selection and harvesting of mature ginger roots, chosen at peak ripeness to deliver maximum flavor intensity and nutritional value. The freshly harvested ginger arrives at our processing facility, where each root is sorted and graded for freshness, firmness, and overall quality. Only the finest rhizomes move forward. They are then thoroughly washed to remove dirt, dust, and impurities while preserving their natural essence. Gentle peeling follows, enhancing purity and improving the final powder's texture. The ginger is then uniformly sliced to ensure consistent drying and optimal nutrient retention. These slices move into the dehydration phase, where advanced drying technologies such as hot air drying, freeze drying, or spray drying are applied. Each method is carefully controlled to retain the ginger's natural nutrients, vibrant color, and robust flavor. Once dried, the ginger slices are finely milled using industrial-grade grinders to produce a consistent powder. This powder is then passed through precision sieving systems, ensuring uniform particle size and removing any coarse material, resulting in a smooth, refined, high-quality product. Safety and purity are uncompromising priorities at Orbbo. The ginger powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants, followed by rigorous quality testing for heavy metals, microbiological safety, and nutritional parameters. Finally, the organic ginger powder is packed under controlled conditions, safely stored and exported to markets around the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options, packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo,